Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have pretty much gotten to this point in my life where I cannot live without earplugs. So thankfully, these Heartli moldable earplugs exist. Not just any earplugs will work for me because I have tried all different kinds and they end up hurting my ears. These ones though are very, very soft and I can easily mold them to fit the exact shape of my ear. I have found no discomfort or pain from using these. They feel completely natural. Besides being very cushiony, these really stay put. They are so secure and they will not come out until I take them out. They have been so effective at blocking out all kinds of unwanted noise for me. In the last couple of years, I've become really sensitive to noise. My husband and I both work from home, which I really love. But when I'm trying to concentrate on something and he's talking or making noise in his office, I do find it a little bit challenging. These earplugs have definitely come to my rescue. We get a lot of wind and stormy weather here in our town, and it can really interfere with my sleep. But these earplugs have definitely helped me to get the good night's rest that I need. These are great for all kinds of situations, whether I just want to be able to concentrate better or if I'm doing some chores where I want to protect my hearing. I love that they come with 2 convenient travel packs too. This means that I can have these earplugs with me and it doesn't matter what noisy situations I encounter on my travels. These earplugs have been so practical for me. They have helped me to feel more relaxed and more productive in my everyday life. But that's just my point of view.